Emergency lights cut through the snow and cold in Plymouth. Inside this home, a silent and deadly threat.
When I entered the house, I immediately started getting low to high readings of carbon monoxide.
11 people, including 7 kids, were rushed to the hospital after a teenager smelled gas. Plymouth's fire chief says they found dangerous levels of carbon monoxide inside.
This morning, the call was for natural gas, so she did smell something, which was probably a byproduct that contained the carbon monoxide, which ultimately saved their lives.
But oftentimes, most people won't even know it's there.
The worst part is that it's the odorless, colorless silent killer, as they say. There's no way to tell.
The silent killer can strike any time, but first responders say they see a spike in these calls brought on by the bitter cold.
This time of year, we see a spike in fire calls, EMS calls. We get a large dump of snow like this. You get slip and fall calls. But the carbon monoxide ones are the ones that scare me the most.
And as the snow piles up, so does the danger.
Especially now with a bitter cold, furnace is running a lot more. Different things can go wrong. Your chimney can be blocked, or one of the things we want to stress now too is with the significant snowfall, keep the vents clear. Anything that's an intake or an outtake from any furnace or any heating, keep them clear, get the snow away from them.
As these first responders are using this close call to warn others this winter.
You start getting into temperatures in the single digits, people have their homes sealed up tight. And carbon monoxide loves that because it can stay inside the home. And again, you have to be vigilant. You have to have carbon monoxide detectors. They will save your life.
We're told all 11 people inside the home are expected to be okay here in Plymouth. Melissa Steininger, Newswatch 16, Luzerne County.